Hi, Junior.
Jeffy, are you okay?
Not really, Junior. I've been coughing, sneezing. I've have a fever, but yeah, I'll probably get better soon.
Okay then. I'm just watching TV. You want to watch TV with me?
Sure, Junior.
Jeffy, can you not cough on me, please?
Oh, I can't control it, Junior. Sorry, I'll try. Jeffy, dinner's ready. Junior, my daddy said dinner's ready. I'm gonna go eat.
Okay, Jeffy. Oh yeah, this TV is great. Sneeze me, bless me. Achoo! What the? Oh, I hope I didn't get that cough virus thing, if you know what I'm saying. Yeah, I'm fine. I don't feel so good. Maybe I should just call my friends over. What's up, Junior? What's up, Cody? Whoa, Junior, are you okay? Yeah, oh yeah, I'm fine. It's just allergies. Well, Junior, there's a new thing, the new Kafka virus, and you have the symptoms. Are you sure you don't have that virus? Yeah, why would I have a virus, Cody? It's just allergies. You're stupid. Well, if you say so, then let's just watch TV then, Junior. Okay. Yeah. What? Junior? Are you okay? Junior? What? Junior? Are you okay? What the heck? Junior? Oh my god! Oh my god! What do I do? What do I do? Let me check his pulse. Okay, he has a pulse. Wait. He's burning though. What the heck? Oh my god! What do I do? I think he actually does have the virus. Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Mm. Bro, I don't know what to do. Oh, I think I gotta step on my game and I have to treat him. Yeah. Come on, wake up, damn it. Oh, I gotta go. I gotta go find some. Oh, I know. Tic Tacs. Alright, YouTube, this is not medicine. This is just Tic Tacs. Okay? So just don't think this is medicine. Let me feed some Junior. My god, the Tic Tacs didn't even work either. What do I do, bro? Yo, fool, why you yelling so much, fool? I'm trying to put my Call of Duty, fool. Oh, Black Yoshi. Oh, yeah, Junior just passed out, and he was, like, coughing and everything. And he's, like, burning hot. I think he has that cough virus thingy. Ooh. Fool, man, I'm about to get away from this fool right now. Just leave him on the bed for, like, 2 weeks, fool. And then he'll wake up and he'll be completely fine, fool. Just let him be quarantined, folk. Are you sure? That's actually a good idea. Okay, then.
2 weeks later.
Oh my. Oh. What happened? Why did my head hurt so much? Why am I so hungry? Oh god, I'm gonna get something to eat. Oh man, I can't wait to eat a bag of chips. Yeah. I'm so hungry.
Hey, Junior.
Jeffy?
Uh, Junior, I don't feel so good, Junior.
Oh my god, Jeffy, I think you do have that virus thingy. I don't know what to do, Jeffy. Just like go and like sit down for 2 weeks on the couch, and I think you'll get better.
Okay, Junior.
You gotta get this spit off me. I can't go wait to eat these chips. Yeah. Boy, oh boy, I can't wait to eat these chips. Let me open them. Achoo! What happened? Oh my god. The allergies are kicking in. Whatever. I can't wait to